How to fix Wait Are You Human problem on Discord. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is open up Google Play Store or open App Store. Now tap on the search icon. Here you want to search Discord. Once you have found it, check if there is an update button. If there is the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After that, open the app and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to open your device settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From this list, find Discord, select that. Now tap on Force Stop, tap on OK. After that, select the storage option. Here tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and tap on OK. Once you have deleted the data, launch Open Discord, log into your account and your issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.